Good morning. It is gross outside. Very, very gross. But it's not cold yet. I am headed, it's Thursday, so I am headed to my meeting to chat. So mental health checkup. You, if you're struggling, go find somebody to talk to. Cornelius. Oh. Is he gonna... Threw it out. He's like, get this out. He does not want that paper towel in there. Doesn't belong there. Ethan, what's wrong with you? It doesn't belong there. He doesn't want anything in there.
We even put food and he threw it out.
Horatio and I just went to our first small group meeting. And we found out that we're in a group with awesome people. So I'm so excited. Final clip.
Final clip.
All right. We had a good small group first meeting. That was good. And I can't believe tomorrow's Friday. And it's also opening for the Addams Family for Julian's musical. That was good, honey. That was good. Gabriel got a very quick turn audition request, and that we will be working on tomorrow early to get it knocked out and sent away tomorrow. And yeah, so until tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.